Hi everybody, it's Robbie from Southern California, and today I'm going to show you how to paint a patio chair, and you can get it done in like 15 minutes and cheap too. Let me show you real quick. I go to Home Depot and I get their tester paints. Their tester paints at Home Depot are 50 cents usually. Every store could be different. Lowe's, they also have tester paints, and these are paints that people have returned. They didn't like the color, I guess, and they take them back and then they put them up for sale. Shouldn't tell my secrets. I won't be able to get any more. But Lowe's, I think, has them for $1, and then sometimes they put them on sale. Now, the thing is, if you don't want to use the color that they've got, and they get, like here's one that was kind of blue, and I was going to mix it, but I changed my mind, and I went ahead and went with the straight green. If you don't like the colors they've got, but you really want to get just a little bit of paint, these paints are only $3 and $4 to start with. Gary is checking an oops paint.
I think it's 4 gallons.
They're going to give him a really good deal because it's missing. Let's see.
There you go.
Look at this. Gary's a happy camper.
So, see how I could judge the weight?
He said it was 4 gallons and he got it right on the money. And I'm getting some tester paint. See, here's the tester paints. If you just wanted to paint something really simple and you only needed a little paint, you can pick out the color you want in these small containers. They're small, but you know what? I have painted a lot with a small container when you use a small brush. So you could pick out any color you want, and it's going to be anywhere from $3 to $3.50. Okay, so they have one for $4. But the thing is, you can pick out the color, and that's what I do. I get the oops because they have it here for 50 cents, and it works for me. But see, you don't have to spend a lot of money and go buy a big gallon when you don't need a gallon. You just come and you buy the color you want of any color to match your project. That is so cool. I think it's so cool. And it's good paint. I painted my whole bathroom with tester paints. You've all seen it. I have videos up. Okay, Gary's got his paint. And I have a couple more tester paints. And it really doesn't matter what type you get. They're all pretty much interior, exterior paints. They work great. I just buy whatever they have. This one's flat, and I've painted in both flat, semi-gloss, and gloss. But they're 50 cents, and for 50 cents, I have taken these chairs. So many times you find people throw these away because as they get old and the sun, the UV rays go through it, the white starts to come off in your hands, and then people throw them away, but they don't realize that's the best time to paint them. And it holds the paint. I've got some chairs that are cheese. They're well over 2 and 3 years old painted, probably even longer than that. It doesn't really wear off. What happens is it doesn't come off in your hands, is what I'm saying. See? It's not going to come off in your hands. 2, possibly 3 chairs out of 1 can, and I think the color is magnificent. You can pick out so many colors. Usually they have beiges and browns. They've even had purple, and I buy purple and all different colors. But I wanted you to see here. It literally took me less than 15 minutes, and I took my time doing it to paint this whole chair, and it paints up so fast. So if you ever see these chairs on the side of the road and somebody is throwing them away and they're not broke, grab them. What did you pick up? Just these 2. I'm looking at all the chairs. No.
These 2 and these 4.
Oh, these chairs are new.
Yeah.
I was looking at that. I only had those 2.
2 of them, the backs are split, but that's
the base
stable.
is good, so that's good for holding something. Okay, so I'll use the 2 with the split backs for either buckets or... Oh my God, and these are in good shape?
Yeah, these are in good shape. They just need to be hosed off.
Wow. Oh yeah, this I'm going to use. I mean, you could put a giant...
Never seen them before.
No, and they're probably not cheap. I can't believe what people throw away. Is it giving off white when you touch it?
Probably. Doesn't seem...
Let me see. Because that's when people throw them away. I can feel, yeah, it is a little.
They've been sitting outside under something for a while because there's dirt.
Oh, I will wash them, and if I want, I'll paint them, and I'll figure out a place for them. Oh, how beautiful. I mean, they would hold a nice container or tote or a row of buckets. Wow, that's a good find. get some paint. Go ahead and get the tester paint, and it is just amazing how beautiful they look. So I hope I've given you an idea how to paint outdoor chairs. And yes, you can use these indoors or outdoors. I painted up a whole bunch. I've seen them on the streets and I'll pick them up. And I've painted them, had them for parties and stuff. But I hope I gave you an idea on how to paint a chair and save it, so we don't have to send these to the dump, but we can use them for whatever you want to use them for, be it a party or be it a raised bed. Have a great day, and don't forget to eat what you grow.